Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be going over how you guys can cop the Air Jordan 1 High Volt Gold, dropping very soon, sooner in Europe than it is in the US, but I'm going to be going over how you guys can cop it really wherever you are in the world, just kind of showing you guys where it is dropping and when it is dropping. If you're in the EU for Snkrs, I would actually go check earlier because it is dropping a few days before than it is in the US there, so I just want to point that out. Same with I think foot sites, so that's why I'm kind of making this video a little bit earlier for the US date, because you know I want to help out my EU boys, you know, the boys that watch me from across the world. Shout out to you, I love all of you. But that's all I really got to say right there. I hope you guys will enjoy. We'll get straight into the video, so subscribe and like if you haven't already. Let's try to like 200 likes on this video. That's the goal. And if you haven't joined the Discord down below, you're missing out. That's all I'm really going to say about it. You're just missing out. It's a good little fun time, but that's all I got to say. Let's get into the video now. Alright, so my classic, I love this saying, we are here with the screen recording, and basically, as you guys can see, I got my Instagram on the screen. If you haven't followed my Instagrams down below, then that's okay. But you know what, if you want to, they're in the description, and I'd appreciate the follow there, and the support, you know. I don't know when I'm gonna post on Instagram. I said it was coming soon, but I think that was the first time I lied to y'all, because I don't know when I'm gonna post on Instagram. But let's just kind of get into this release right here. So the Air Jordan 1 Volt Gold, aside from my stutter a couple seconds ago right there, that was kind of funny. These ones right here, as you guys can see, I'm gonna kind of scroll there you go, so you can see it a little more. But as you can see, these ones are retailing at $170 in the US. They're dropping on January 9th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. I'm not gonna pop it up on the screen for the EU, but in Europe, I believe they're dropping on January 2nd at 10 a.m. Eastern time. I think I'm right in that. Just go check your Snkrs app for Europe, because it is dropping a little bit earlier. I'm like 95% sure on that, so I would just go check. But aside from that, in the US, January 9th, 10 a.m. Eastern time is when you want to be here, and that's just typical Jordan 1 retail. Now, again, the reason I think I'm attracted to these ones, because again, I kind of like these ones. I'm not gonna lie, and I may get some hate for liking these, but again, you're not gonna change my mind. But I think the reason I'm attracted to these was probably because my addiction to the color neon green as a middle schooler through 7th and 8th grade. I think many of us probably went through that phase, but you know, I'm kind of, you know, still I'm messing with it. I like how they the kind of section and how they at least they kind of distributed the colors like on the Jordan 1. I like how they've, you know, put like the yellow kind of here on like the back kind of heel portion, or at least by the heel, and then kind of up by the Air Jordan symbol. It's kind of like that you know, neon green, and then the black and green, obviously this kind of fits. And I guess the yellow on the sneakers kind of like, my hair's all over the place. But the yellow on the shoe is really what I think is kind of throws the shoe off. Maybe I think if they could have maybe changed the light green to something else, or maybe just kept that yellow, I think this shoe would have been, you know, like extremely hyped. But still, it is hyped. It is still going for, you know, a good amount of money. It is still, I think, liked by majority of people. You can see they also got like kind of the unique kind of, I guess, color of the insole symbol. That's just, you know, kind of unique to the you know, outer neon green. So that's kind of cool. But I don't really know what this is a retro of to, really. This looks fairly unique to me, but it is definitely a cop, and I'm going to show you guys why it is a cop right now. But aside from kind of looking at some of the final details, it does look like it will be good quality, and that is always something we can look forward to when there's a good quality pair of Jordan 1s dropping. And there's also, I don't want to forget this is dropping in kids and grade, no, well, the kids are grade school sizes, so this is dropping in those sizes also for $130. So you don't want to forget about these. They will probably be slept on. Again, grade school sizes are not as good as quality, but if these are not going for a lot of money at first, they're definitely going to be a hold, and that is kind of what I think these will be. Kind of into the summer will be a decent hold. But let's kind of go over resale right now when we discuss that. So again, this is a few days, or I guess like I would say like 11 days right now in the US before the drop. I think I did my math right, 11 or 12 days, so almost like a little bit past under 2 weeks right now. So as you can see, market right now, since there has been some pairs that's released in foot site raffles like Finish Line, I think Foot Locker also, if I'm right, you can see they're right now kind of going for around 290, 350. That's kind of like the honest range, and some of those bigger sizes that probably nobody had, looks like somebody got a, I don't think that's legit, but you can see like they're kind of like 599, 599. That's not really what they're going for. And some of these smaller sizes, again, I would have to go take a look at some of the grade school ones, but they're probably going for, you know, I'd say right around the same, so 290, 300. I definitely see these ones again being one that will, you know, probably drop a little bit more before it drops, because I think people like them. But I think once more pairs kind of start to release, you know, in Europe, once they drop there, I think these ones will probably honestly drop to around 230, 260. That's my opinion on resale. I think that's right where they will fall around, and I think then they will go up over time. Yeah, that's just kind of how I see it. You know, I think they might look a little bit better in hand, but you know, if they look boof in hand, then nobody's gonna like them. You know, I'm just gonna be real there. But it is another pair of Jordan 1s, and Jordan 1s are very hyped right now, as you guys know. And this one is just kind of one that I would see as you can see it's releasing again. StockX, you know, they even got it up there. Shout out them forget having the date up, you know, on the 9th in the US. And I just kind of, again, 230, 260 is my range on this one. So it is going to be a good flip. Get your pairs, and definitely one that you could maybe hold for like 6 to 12 months, or even just into the summertime, I feel like, and it'll be rising a little bit, because this isn't a colorway that I feel like is necessarily going to be ignored. It kind of stands out a little bit. It is slightly different, but I mean, you know, the Volt Gold combo is kind of interesting, and I like what they did here, at least for this shoe. It is different, so that's kind of why I like this one, and I kind of admire it. But it would, again, have to be one that I'd have to decide, like, in hand whether I'd want this one. But aside from that, let's kind of hop into discussing how you guys can cop this one off Snkrs. So as I always say with every video, if you guys are ever confused with copying off Snkrs, I have a whole guide that you guys can go check down below in the description if you're new to my channel. If you haven't watched this guide down before, if you have any questions about copying off Snkrs, you can leave them down below in the comments of this video that I have linked down below, which I recommend going to watch if you don't know how to use Snkrs or cop off Snkrs at all, or have success off Snkrs often, because again, Snkrs is where these shoes are going to be dropping and having the most stock, so you don't want to really miss out on knowing how to cop off Snkrs successfully. So you can leave any questions below on this video, on that video. It really doesn't you know, mind, I don't care. So, you know, you guys can go ahead and leave any questions you got, and I'm always free, you know, answering them. And I guess, you know, always this too, I always say screenshot this notepad. This is like a notepad I always kind of got out, like it's like basically how you guys can you know, use and make multiple Snkrs accounts. So just screenshot this if you haven't already. It's really just a little bit of a breakdown, and I'd really just have this up while you watch my like how to cop guide, because I have this up in the how to cop guide while I'm kind of running through it, and it just shows you what you need to do when you're altering your address for every account, multiple payment methods, what proxies you need. And again, like I'd say, like shout out Secret Sauce and their proxies, sauce proxies. I'll leave them down below if you want to go check them out. But these are basic things you would need, like if you're running like 10 accounts, you know, like on your computer or something. Like these are good US proxies, and then just like some basic tips, like, you know, for Snkrs and stuff that you would need, like different email for every account, different phone number. But I'm not really diving into that. That how to cop is down below if you need to check out how to cop off Snkrs. But aside from that, I also want to give a huge shout out to my boys at Secret Sauce Group, because these guys can basically help you cop a release just like this one, and have success in other high-end sneaker releases that are much harder to get, because they know how to get those releases and really help their members out, because they got all that insider info. They be having early links for sites like Kith, you know, JD Sports. I mean, those are just, you know, some sites I usually mention, but they usually have like monitors also that can like give manual users good success. Like a ton of people hit on the Bodega Dunk Highs and, you know, like manually on that site, since, you know, Bodega has a good site. So that's just like kind of something to figure out. You know, they're always dropping like kind of that key info about drops before. And again, I really want to dive into talking to the slot system, because that's really what they have in their Discord that could really make it worth it to you guys and help you actually. I mean, all the other stuff makes it worth it, but this really makes it worth it, because they can cop a ton of stuff for you. Again, they've got me Azarus, Supreme Mortal Kombat Machine, 2 pairs of Yeezy Breads. I mean, the list goes on. I don't really want to name them all, because I'm trying to make this video, you know, not too long for you guys. But again, it is a $60 monthly fee, but again, it is a 100% worth it. And how the slots would kind of work in the Discord is basically once you got in, what you would do is basically just like a couple days before a certain drop, maybe you just hit them up, or, you know, you got a chance to run the slots. You'd be like, yo, you guys running tickets for this drop right here? And if they're like, yeah, we're running tickets for this pair of Jordan 1s, or, you know, whatever pair of sneakers it is, then basically what they would do is they drop a form, and you'd fill in your payment and shipping information, and then basically they would just take that info and put it into their bots and cop releases for you. And it's really a great system. I love how it works, and they've done this to basically help me help you know, other people, and they've done this for me to help me, you know, get a lot of releases. It's really great. So huge shout out Secret Sauce on what they do. They can really help you up your resale game a lot more, and that's really, you know, why I want to shout them out. So go check them out down below. If you want to get into the Discord, again, just go send them a message on Twitter and say, yo, Tristan sent me, I'm interested in getting in, and that's what you guys can do right there. But aside from that, that's how you guys can really check out Secret Sauce. They're really great, and they've helped me cop a lot of releases. Like, they're the GOAT, so shout out them. But also, I want to say there is some places. I want to also link this place down below. I'm going to link this Raffles Snkrs article down below. Always shout out these guys here. This isn't sponsored or anything. This isn't a sponsorship. It's like an article you can find online. But Raffles Snkrs, continue to check this video. Continue to check this article daily, because Raffles will continue to update. As you can see, other raffles will be added once they are confirmed. So as you guys can see, there's only a few raffles up here right now, but there will be more that will appear for the pair of Volt Gold ones very soon. So just kind of stay tuned on that, and don't miss out on you know, copping those pairs, because there will be more raffles appearing here and on Sneaker News. I also want to point this out. Aside from, I'm not going to link this Sneaker News article down below. I might, because it has the foot site places where it is dropping, because as you guys can see, it has all the foot site places that it's dropping kind of in North America and in the EU a little bit. Just kind of shows you some places where they're going to be dropping aside from sneakers kind of around that same time, so you can check out Finish Line, Foot Action, Foot Locker, East Bay. All of them will be here, kind of like these links on Sneaker News. So I'll try and link this one down below if I remember. If I don't, you can again just check out all these websites right here. Look, give this little screenshot, and that's kind of all the places again where it is dropping. Looks like it's dropping at every single sneakers place internationally a week before it is in the US. So shout out all my international people. You guys are going to be getting this one a little bit early. Just check all these sites. If you don't know how to find the sneakers website in your area, then just check this article down below, and then you can just click these ones, and it'll kind of, I guess, take you to one that'd be located near you. And also, don't sleep on my grade school sizing. That's always there. But aside from that, those are kind of some places where they're raffling off. Also, I want to point that out. So again, check that Raffles Sneakers article like daily. It will continue to update. I just don't want to really have you all forget that, or not. I don't want to forget to mention that. That's what I meant to say. And also Sneakertorious. I'm not going to link this one down below, but they just kind of had it confirming again some of those raffle places on Raffle Sneakers also. So aside from that, I also want to show some places where they could potentially be raffling off on Instagram. None of these places are confirmed yet, but these are just some possible places. So, you know, be following them. Concepts, potentially we have in this release. I just feel like they could maybe have something. So maybe Concepts, Cop Date, maybe could have some sort of like raffle or something on their app for these. So stay tuned on Cop Date. They may post something on their Instagram. It's a chance, but who knows? And also Good Hood and Titolo Shop. These two places right here, I think potentially could have some raffles going also along with End Clothing. I'm not going to like pop up End Clothing or anything on the screen, but these two places along with End Clothing, I feel like could definitely be having something going on for the Jordan 1 Volt Golds and having some sort of raffle or little release you go enter in. And you guys know how raffles work. Again, they don't take your money. Like, you don't lose money entering in raffles. Like, you know, you only pay if you win the release. Like, it doesn't cost money to enter raffles. So that's why it's kind of dope for these Volt Golds. And I'd say you guys will be able to cop these pair of Jordan 1 Volt Golds for retail. It's really all the places where they're dropping, as I know. Some guys that can help you cop them. Again, go check out Secret Sauce down below. Huge shout out them for this video, you know, helping me out here. So that's really everything I got to say there. And that's how you guys can cop the Volt Gold. So I'm going to end the screen recording. And don't forget, you know, just stay tuned for this release. You don't want to miss out. It's some money. So that's all I'm going to say. I'll just roll the outro. Anyways, though, man, Tristan, you almost forgot the outro. I was just too busy, man, focusing on, you know, we were too busy trying to ball out on Roblox on the Xbox, man. You know, we were too focused. We were too focused, and we almost forgot this video right here. But if you want more content like this, feel free to go ahead, subscribe, and drop a like down below. I'd appreciate that. Let's try to like 200 likes on this video again. That'd be a good goal if we could hit that. And, you know, again, I'm not trying to make this outro too long. I actually did record... but I did forget to record an outro for this video, so I'm here with this one right now. And yeah, if you want to also check my Instagrams and Discord down below, those are in the description down there by the raffle links, and really anything you would want to check out, how to cop off sneakers, that video that I also have linked there, everything is there, so go check it. But that's all I'm going to say. I'm Tristan. Thank y'all for watching, and hopefully this video helped you guys out with copping. But I'm out, and peace.
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the tea. Now water can flow or it can crash.